Erin,
Yes,
I've heard you're a keen artist.
I am.
I've got an art project for you
Have you
to do
actually?
on video. I have, yeah.
Oh, thank you. Why is it in... What is that?
That's an iPhone.
That's not art.
No, but it could be.
What?
With the GNT 25 precision dismantling set.
You want me to dismantle an iPhone?
Yeah. And then our friends at Xreart kindly sent over this.
What?
See, that? It's a frame, so you can deconstruct the iPhone, put it in this beautiful frame, have a work of art to hang above your desk.
How am I supposed to stick this to that?
I'm glad you asked. With the help of the B6000,
Great.
just don't glue your hands to the desk, to each other, or to your hair.
I'm making no promises. Well, you're going to help me with this, aren't you?
No. No.
I can't.
No.
But I don't know.
No.
I-
See you later. Have fun.
Dave's just fully abandoned ship, so that's great. But that's okay, because I'm really good at building stuff. Don't tell him, but I'm actually quite excited about spending most of my day trying to build this. Right. What's actually in here? Tiny cards. You get a certificate with it. That's so cute. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this is actually quite exciting. Wait, do you just... Wait, actually you can see from this camera up here. This is a lot. And it comes with a little bag as well. This is... okay. This video is gonna make me famous. Scan the QR code for teardown tutorials. Okay. Scanny scan. Step 1. Using the key tool, open the SIM card slot and remove it. Alright, I've done this. I've done this before. Because I've had to change my SIM card. I know technology. Right. SIM card. Okay. Good. Good stuff. Okay. Step 2. Using a screwdriver, unscrew the 2 bolts on the end of the iPhone. Oh, I think I was tightening it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Running and running and running. And the screwdriver's magnetic, so the tiny little screw just sticks to it. Running and running and running. Open the back cover. Oh no, I feel like it's glued. Okay. Have they got a little... That's glued. Maybe I missed this step, hang on. Using a screwdriver, open the back cover. Just open the back cover. I don't know how to open the back cover. I don't really want to force it off in case I break it, but that's fine. Wait. No, see, that sounded like cracking, and I feel like you shouldn't ever crack a phone. I feel like I've already committed to just kind of... Oh my days, okay. Okay, there was a hair in it. Ooh. Oh, that's a lot of fun. Okay. I just lost a screw. Home button, brilliant. I'm gonna start sticking. Very high quality frame. let me just put that one out there. Right.
you finished yet?
I have, yeah.
I'm excited to see how badly you've messed this up. There's no, hang on, before we start, because I work with you on a daily basis, my level of confidence when I assigned you this task was not very high.
That's for rude.
Go on, show me the disaster. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Did you do that?
I did
really?
such a good job.
Did they send another one that was already done and you swapped it?
No. I've got so much glue on my fingers, you can tell it's me.
That's really cool. Now, this probably isn't your first choice as a piece of art.
No.
I understand that because if it was something to do with fashion, you'd be more excited.
Here for it, yeah.
But what do you think as something for a tech geek? Is it a good gift?
I think it would be like a really good present to give somebody. Also, I didn't realise they do like Game Boy versions,
Yeah.
and that would have been like really cool as well.
Yeah, and there's all sorts of different options. So we'll pop a link to the website in the description, and maybe just put a few of the different variants up on screen as well, so you can see what's possible. And Xreart, they sell these as pre-made. Obviously, to a much higher standard than Erin achieved, I would suggest.
Look at it.
But just not too closely, right?
Not too closely.
But they also sell the DIY kit. So if you've got an old iPhone or a Game Boy or something kicking around that doesn't work anymore and you want to take it apart and put it in a display case, interesting project. Did
Definitely.
you enjoy working on it?
Yeah, it was actually fun. I got very into it, which I didn't think I would.
Thank you very much, Xreart, for sending that over. And just as full disclosure, it was sent to us without charge. And we're free, of course, to give our unbiased opinion. And my unbiased opinion is, despite the mistakes, Erin, I am pleasantly surprised, and I think it looks really cool. If you're interested in getting one of these pieces of art, we'll put a link in the description. Well done, Erin.
Thank you.
And
Thanks
hopefully
so
the viewers found it entertaining. I mean, I haven't seen any of the footage. I've just left you to it today. So if this is a really long, boring video, then I'm really sorry about that. But blame Erin.
Or you could blame Dave, because he made me do this.
And if you like this sort of content and tech generally, then please consider subscribing to the channel. Maybe sharing this video with someone else who you think would like to make fun of Erin. And maybe leave a like or a comment below.
Yeah.
We'll see you again soon for some more geekery.